Good morning. I'm going to read for us this morning from Ephesians 5 and verse 16. Redeeming the time because the days are evil. The days have always been evil. There's always been evil in the days. Worry, hurt, loss, sickness, anger, pain. It's always been around and it's always going to be there. Evil that wants to latch onto us. But when my wife told me yesterday, Jaco, you can make a decision. You can either walk around with worry, or you do not have to walk around with worry. It's still not going to change the situation. I realized I've got a decision how I want to spend my time. Redeeming the time. The Lord bless you today.